This is Nate from Texas Carbon, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to install your custom carbon fiber steering wheel for your 2015 to 2020 F-150. The first step is, of course, to disconnect your battery. After disconnecting, make sure to rest the battery wire on some sort of insulator like a plastic trim piece or, in this case, a shop rag. Locate the small pinholes on the backside of the steering wheel. Use a small cylindrical tool to push the spring and release the pins holding the airbag to the steering wheel. This part can be a little tricky. Pulling gently on the airbag cover can help a bit in our experience. Once the airbag is released, disconnect the two clips as well as the clip for the horn. Next, unclip the main wiring harness. We're going to use a 24mm socket to break loose the main bolt. Use your hand to do the rest. Once the bolt is removed, feed the clips and the main wiring harness through and release the steering wheel. Next step is to transfer the OEM trim over to your new steering wheel. It's held on by clips, so be gentle and try to use just enough force to break them loose. Here, we cut the two zip ties holding the trim piece on. Unclip the wiring harness on both sides. We're going to be transferring the buttons to the new steering wheel using a T9 Torx bit. There should be 8 in total, 4 on each side. Moving over to your new steering wheel, remove the trim piece, repeating the same process as before. Install the buttons onto your new trim piece using the same T9 Torx bit and hardware. Clip the wiring harness back into the buttons. Finally, we can line up our new trim piece and gently clip it in. Now it's time to put your steering wheel back onto your vehicle. Feed the wires through the same way as before. Apply a tiny bit of blue Loctite and torque the main bolt down 35 to 41 foot-pounds. Clip in the wiring harness, the two clips, and the clip for the horn. Make sure to tuck the horn clip neatly to the side. Line up the airbag and press firmly into place. The final step is to reconnect the battery. The install is now complete. We hope you enjoy your new steering wheel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or shoot us over our support email in the description. Thank you very much for watching.